Greetings, we are students from the Management Information Systems Department at San Jose State University. This is our project video for our Business 119A Project Management course with Professor Larry G. My name is Lon Chang. This is our team member 6, the G Squad, and I am the project manager.
My name is Brian Hott, and I'm responsible for public relations.
My name is Armando Rios, and I am the technical editor.
My name is Thomas Castillo. I'm the lead programmer.
Three, two, one.
Our project sponsor is the Guadalupe River Park Conservancy. Our liaison, Mr. Richard Tejada, is the organization's lead education coordinator. The client is a non-profit organization that serves the community through education on the plants and animals that are native to the South San Francisco Bay Area. From the beginning, we have built a good relationship with our client. We have been fortunate that they have been accessible 24/7 to answer any questions that arise.
Despite having released a publicly accessible mobile application on the iOS platform, the Guadalupe River Park Conservancy does not currently have an official portal through their main website that offers the same experience to all users.
The project required for us to implement a plants and animals exhibit on the client's host website similar to the existing mobile application. The exhibit allows end users to browse through and educate themselves on the variety of plants and animals at the Guadalupe River Park Conservancy. Our project is providing a great service to the client by helping them raise awareness and connecting their visitors to the community.
Since this project is volunteer work, we're not being compensated for the work per se, and it did not seem feasible for us to outsource the work. Therefore, we did everything in-house and built the plants and animals exhibit from the ground up, using the client server and database to populate the exhibit.
Overall, the programming process was a pretty smooth one, although we did run into some challenges. For example, the implementation of JavaScript. JavaScript was a programming language that the team was not familiar with, but we learned relatively quickly, and the same can be said about researching and using XML databases, which we did successfully. One of the biggest challenges was managing the application to function entirely within a lightbox. It was challenging because we were not able to code as we would with the usual HTML page, but it was a request made by the sponsor, and in the end, we were able to figure it out.
We spent a total of around 75 hours on this project, and that is only 25 hours short from the original estimate, and therefore we have finished this project within scope and within the time and resource budget.
The client has signed off on the project and accepted the project deliverable in full. All documentation has been passed on so that the client can use it as reference material. The next step for our client would be to migrate our coding onto their website and release it for the public to share and enjoy. The maintenance of the website, as agreed upon, will be the responsibility of the client. Prior to the start of this project, neither of us had any idea who the Guadalupe River Park Conservancy were, what they did, or what they stood for. As consultants, we would like to recommend for the organization to get more exposure and visibility in the community by reaching out to the local educational institution and perhaps inviting them to the park grounds. By marketing themselves better, they can potentially further enhance their program and achieve their mission goal.
This project has been a great experience for all of us in the scope of project management. Some of the key takeaways for the success of our project was that, one, what worked out really well for us was that there was never any internal conflict, and each team member was able and willing to support one another. Two, despite scheduling conflicts, we were able to meet up face-to-face as needed, and we hit the ground running from the get-go. Three, we had impeccable communication, and there was transparency throughout. And last but not least, we delegated specific tasks and roles to each group member so that every single person knew exactly what their responsibilities were and could be accountable for it. Thanks for reviewing our project video. It's been a privilege.